Hey everyone, it's Name of the Creator hiring the ghostwriter, and today we're talking about something that could save you thousands of dollars, negotiating your rent. Look, we all know how expensive it is out there, and with rent eating up a huge chunk of our income, every little bit you can save makes a huge difference. Now, I know negotiating can seem intimidating, especially when it comes to something as important as your housing, but trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds. In this video, I'm breaking down the do's and don'ts of rent negotiation, giving you the tools and confidence to score a better deal on your next apartment or house rental. So whether you're a seasoned renter or just starting out, this video has something for everyone. Before you even think about approaching your landlord, you need to do your homework. This means understanding the rental market in your area. What are similar units renting for? Are there a lot of vacancies? Think of it like buying a car. Websites like Zillow, apartments.com, and rent.com are your best friends here. Browse listings in your neighborhood, paying close attention to square footage, amenities, and of course, the asking rent. Remember, the goal here is to create a win-win situation. You're not trying to strong-arm your landlord into a lower rent. Instead, approach the conversation with a calm and respectful demeanor. Start by expressing your appreciation for being a tenant in their property and highlight your positive track record as a renter. Then, gently introduce the idea of adjusting the rent, emphasizing the research you've done on comparable properties. Before you even start negotiating, you need to have a clear understanding of your finances. What's the maximum amount you can comfortably afford to pay in rent each month? Remember, rent is just one part of your overall budget. Be realistic about what you can afford. Find a balance between affordability and living in a place you actually enjoy coming home to. It might be tempting to fudge the numbers a bit to try and secure a lower rent, but trust me, it's not worth it. Being dishonest about your financial situation can come back to bite you. Landlords often run credit checks and verify income, so any discrepancies will be flagged. This could not only ruin your chances of negotiating a better deal, but also potentially jeopardize your chances of renting the place altogether. One of your biggest assets as a renter is your track record. If you have a history of paying rent on time, taking good care of the property, and being a respectful tenant, use that to your advantage. Landlords love reliable tenants, so remind them of your stellar track record. If you have any positive feedback or reviews from previous landlords, don't be afraid to share them. Don't wait until your lease is about to expire to start negotiating. The best time to approach your landlord is well in advance, ideally 60 to 90 days before your lease renewal date. This gives them time to consider your proposal and doesn't make it seem like you're trying to back them into a corner. It also shows that you're proactive and organized, which are qualities any landlord would appreciate. Negotiation is all about give and take, so be prepared to offer something in return for a lower rent. One of the most effective strategies is offering to sign a longer lease. You could also offer to take care of minor maintenance tasks yourself, like changing light bulbs or fixing leaky faucets, saving your landlord time and money. Any agreement you reach with your landlord, no matter how small, should be documented in writing. This protects both you and your landlord and prevents any misunderstandings down the line. Make sure the agreement clearly states the new rental amount, the length of the lease, and any other agreed upon terms. Both you and your landlord should sign and keep a copy for your records. Negotiation is a dance, and sometimes you need to be prepared to compromise. Be prepared to negotiate and find a middle ground that works for both parties. Remember, even a small reduction in rent can add up to significant savings over time. If your landlord is being unreasonable, unresponsive, or unwilling to negotiate in good faith, it might be time to walk away. There are plenty of other apartments and landlords out there. Don't be afraid to explore other options if you're not happy with the terms being offered. Remember, you deserve to live in a place where you feel valued as a tenant. So there you have it, your comprehensive guide to mastering rent negotiation. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and hit that subscribe button for more personal finance tips and tricks. Leave a comment down below and let me know about your own rent negotiation experiences. I love hearing from you guys. Good luck with your negotiations, and remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned.